My name is Amaka, reporting from Inwele Study and Research Center in Enugu, Nigeria, West Africa. Why students have to drop out of school? The main reason why students drop out of school is lack of parental care, early marriage, poverty. Lack of parental care can make children to drop out of school because without their parents, they'll lose interest in their schools. Nobody guiding him or her the way to follow. Early marriage, without the parents, the children can go astray. They'll go get they'll because without the care of the parents, they can do anything to make money because they believe that without education, they can make quick money. Especially those in the rural areas, due to some difficulties or situations, and this can be the first students find it difficult to further their educations due to poverty. So we beg the government to help us to bring free education to our country. My name is Amaka, reporting from Study and Research Center. Thank you.